for Martin.
Martin?
Martin?
Yeah.
Hey Martin.
Hi.
Hey, how are you? Good?
Yeah. Got much fancier packaging within the shipping box. I think the material was really had a solid feel, so that was the first thing I was looking for, like if it felt like a natural furniture kind of a thing. It's a guide, yeah, it's like with the light. I backed a lot of crowdfunding Kickstarter projects, and this is the first time I was the first one, and that you kind of feel like really appreciated. Brand and bracket, fancy. It feels premium all the way through, I'd say. It's very, there's even padding here. Like this guy is traveling safely across the globe. Ooh. It feels like you're almost gonna break it by dropping it. It's like a drop test.
Drop it carefully. Really just carefully take it up.
See that? It's doing the same thing here. Oh, it's set to my time already. And you can see in the app what's happening with the wall, which I think is really neat. That there's there's a really clear mapping to what you see is what you get, kind of like. So it wasn't hard at all to get into. Go around. Cozy time. So we should do second clock, then we'll move quickly, I guess. See that? Looks really good, man.
Yeah.
Good job, guys. I mean, I had the flight lamps. I already experienced the magic of something levitating, but I mean, it's to another level when it's coming out of the wall. So I think that's just super cool. Your mind is slightly blown. I'm really happy. It looks so good. It's gonna look good here.
So you have to aim a little bit higher, like maybe half a centimeter above the dots.
Got it.
Fantastic. Here starts.
That is so cool.